sir.
Stop! Ating kaliwa! Stop! Agam!
Si Rome.
Ta!
Amahan.
Ta! Sipat! Tok!
Kuya.
Tok! Tok! Baba! Tak! Stop! Ating kanon! Stop! Tanghol! Stop!
Assistant Division Commander General Baba, 2nd Mechanized Brigade Commander General Manalo, and my very good friend, my brother,
Picturean mong boss mo.
former, hindi ko na babagitin, former Brigade Commander, hindi ko na babagitin yung mga General Poker Cuerpo. Welcome back. 103rd Brigade, General Billy De La Rosa, 101st Commander Brigade, General Yasser Bara. General na hindi na yun eh. Kaya inaantay mo na lang yung Australia. Provincial Director, Police Colonel Buat, Dr. Ali Nadir, PIPHO BARM, Dr. Pinky Rakin, and of course, Vice Governor Muhammad Khalid Mujam, Rakin Ajong, Attorney Gandamra, sa lahat po sa inyo na nandito ngayon, our friends in media, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Allow me to express my deepest respect and gratitude to everyone. On behalf of the good people of Lanao del Sur, for joining us in this year's commemoration of the liberation of Marawi City and the wreath-laying ceremony this morning. A solemn tribute to our fallen heroes, the brave men and women in uniform, and the innocent civilians whose lives were lost during the 2017 Marawi siege. It is that time of the year once again when our hopes are high for the full return of normalcy and the continued rebuilding of our communities for the benefit of our displaced families who, to this day, strive to create better homes despite the challenges. 8 taon makalipas ang makasaysayang liberasyon ng Marawi. Patuloy pa rin ang ating panawagan na punan ang ating mga puso ng pag-asa at patatagin pa ang diwa ng pagkakaisa at kapayapaan. Ngayon at kailanman, tayong lahat ay may tungkulin na manatiling matatag at palawakin ang saklaw ng ating malasakit upang sabay-sabay nating malagpasan ang bawat suliranin.
Ay,
Sa ganitong paraan lamang natin tunay na makakamit ang pagbubuklod ng bawat komunidad, pamilya at individual ng ng ating lungsod at lalawigan. Ang aking panalangin na hindi na muling aabutin ng 8 taon bago natin ganap na maramdaman ang pagbabalik sa normal na pamumuhay. Mangyayari lamang ito kung lahat tayo ay kikilos ng sabay-sabay. May malasakit at may taus-pusong hangarin para sa kapakanan ng lahat. Furthermore, would like also to take this as an opportunity to express once again my heartfelt gratitude and highest regard to the men and women in uniform for their hard work and sacrifices in maintaining and restoring the safety and well-being of our people. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Especially to the fallen soldiers and innocent lives to whom we dedicate this day's wreath-laying ceremony and commemoration. It is my hope that soon enough we may all get to see the glory of Marawi again. Our home, our pride, and our shared dream. Kinaya na natin ng marami pang ibang hamon at kakayanin natin ang mga susunod pa. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you very much sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.